Hey guys, it's Julia and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making my own essential oil roller bottles to use on my body. There are so many amazing benefits of essential oils. Essential oils are all natural, extracted from plants, and are used for aromatherapy, which is a form of alternative medicine. There are so many different oils that have really great benefits and different ways that you can use them. The most common ways are inhaling it through an oil diffuser, bathing with it, using it for a massage, and also topically. I personally use my oil diffuser a lot that I got from Amazon. I talked a little bit about it in my self-care video that I'll leave in the cards above. And now I want to use it topically, meaning put it on my body to receive all those great benefits that it holds. A great way to do that is through a rollerball bottle, and rollerball bottles are really great because they're really small, they're great for on the go and really convenient. It's really easy to make yourself. When I was shopping online, I couldn't find any that were already made and ready for sale. I only found some on Etsy that were handmade already, so I figured it would be a good fun DIY project to do myself. Make sure when working with essential oils that you never put it directly onto your skin or your body without diluting it first with either water or another oil-based substance, because it can really irritate your skin. Typically for adults, a good rule of thumb is to use a 2% dilution, and then for children, it cuts down to half. So from Amazon, I picked up this 12-pack of amber colored roller bottles. It also comes in this like bright blue color, but I like this brown color better. And it comes with a lot of other great items in this pack as well. So inside comes 12 of these bottles. These are 10 milliliters, and it has a screw-on cap, and then the roller ball is already installed. Also inside it comes with this mini funnel, and then also a brush cleaner. Also inside there's 2 droppers, there's 3 extra roller balls, there's some label stickers that you can use to label your bottles afterwards, and there's like color coded stickers as well. And then this plastic thing is to open or place the roller ball onto the bottle. This entire pack I got on Amazon for only $8.99. It is also available for Prime shipping, so I got it in 2 days, which is really fast. And then I also got a jojoba oil as well on Amazon Prime. It's by the brand Cliganic. It's 100% pure natural jojoba oil. It's cold pressed and unrefined, chemical free, lightweight, fast absorbing. This one was a little bit more expensive for $10.99, but usually with all these types of oils, they are around that price range. And this one also had really great reviews on Amazon, so I picked this one up. And then for my essential oils, I already have this pack of essential oils that I use for my diffuser. I also got it on Amazon a while ago. It comes in a pack of 6 essential oils. Inside there's orange, peppermint, lemongrass, eucalyptus, lavender, and tea tree. So today I'm going to be using a few of these to make into my roller bottles. So for this 10 milliliter bottle to have a 2% dilution, I only need to put 4 drops of my essential oil inside. I found a graphic online that I recreated that I'll put up on the screen for you guys to reference back to. I'm gonna start off with eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil is great to put like behind your ears for headaches, dizziness, anxiety, and fatigue. And then you can also put it on your chest for congestion, coughs, and asthma. And to dilute it, I'm going to be using my jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is a really great moisturizer. It has a vitamin E and B complex in it, and it promotes skin health. So first you're going to want to unscrew the top, and then use the plastic thing to remove the roller ball from the bottle. Once that's removed, you can move it to the side and then take your eyedropper tool and put it in your essential oil so you get 4 drops and put it in your bottle. And then grab your funnel and pour your jojoba oil into the remainder of your bottle. And then the last step is to put the roller ball back onto the bottle. You can simply just put it on top and then use the plastic thing to push it down securely. Then screw the lid back on and give the bottle a few shakes before using. I'm also going to be making a lemongrass, peppermint, and lavender rollers too. Lemongrass can be applied to the wrists for carpal tunnel syndrome. If you guys are on the computer a lot like I am, then this will be great for you. Peppermint can also be applied to the chest or sole of the foot for congestion and asthma, as well as the stomach for menstrual cramps and digestion issues. Lavender has a lot of great benefits on the body too. You can apply it on the outside of the ears for earaches or swimmer's ear, as well as bottom of the big toe for headaches. And then both peppermint and lavender are really good to put on the temples or back of the neck for stress, nausea, motion sickness, insomnia, and headaches. After I made all the bottles, I used the labels that the kit provided to differentiate everything that I made. There are so many oils out there and places that you could put it on throughout the body, and my suggestion for you guys is to really do the research and figure out what body issues you want to target and then make your own roller bottle. I'm not a medical professional by any means. I'm just a person who likes to use natural remedies and feels a lot of comfort in knowing what's inside the products that I'm putting on my body. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I inspired you guys to make your own essential oil roller bottles. As you saw, it was super easy to make, and all of the supplies are readily available on Amazon, so I'll link everything down below. Also, please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.